Today we're going to take some drill bits and some old scrap pipe and turn it into a wilderness survival drill. I'm Craig, and if you're new to my channel, I make videos about setting up a tiny house homestead and about some of my tinker projects. One of my hobbies is practicing survival skills out in the woods. I've always wanted to get on one of those reality TV shows like Alone or Naked and Afraid, but it hasn't happened for me yet. So I guess I'll just have to scratch that itch here on YouTube. One of the tools I've been wanting to add to my kit is this little drill set. As you can see, this is a pretty compact tool, so it's easy to just slip in your bag, and it allows you to drill holes like this without electricity when you're out there in a survival situation. The reason that this is important is that when you're out in nature, sometimes you need to connect things, and by having a hole there, I can pin things to this or connect them like how a ladder's set up or how a chair is set up, instead of having to use cordage to tie it. Some places I might not be carrying a lot of 550 cord, or there might not be good resources in the area to make a good cordage. So having that tool in my kit allows me to connect things in a different way. I've seen tools similar to this selling online for around $40. I made this one for about $6. Now I'm going to give you a brief rundown of how I made it, and I'll show you how it works. Select some steel pipe and cut it to the desired length. Make sure the pipe has a big enough inner diameter to fit a stick that you can use for leverage when twisting the drill. Next, we'll need a drill bit. I bought these on Amazon. I used a 3/4 inch drill bit and cut off the base of the shaft. Use a wire wheel to prep the surface of the pipe. Then I welded the pieces together. A grinder is a great way to hide my sloppy welds. I found a tree branch that would fit through the pipe opening and remove the limbs. To use the drill, apply some downward pressure while turning the handle. And there you have it, our wilderness survival drill. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more content like this.